Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and Spyderco knives are one of them. We have a series of knives with the purple handle, which may be attractive to some of our female customers, or to whomever enjoys the color purple, which I personally like. This is the Spyderco Delica 4 lightweight, again in a purple handle. And before I get into more of the specifications, please make sure to subscribe right now to our channel so you're alerted for new products, discount codes, and other specials. So the Spyderco Delica 4 lightweight has a flat ground blade. It's actually available in a variety of handle colors, so if you don't like purple, there are other colors. The handles are made from FRN, which stands for fiberglass-reinforced nylon, and it has a skeletonized stainless steel liner. The full flat ground blade is made from VG10 steel. It measures 2.875 inches long, and for more specifications, please see the descriptions below. These cost $88.20, and that includes free shipping. Again, make sure to subscribe right now to see new releases, discount codes, specials, and other everyday carry gear. Thank you.